Hello kiddos and welcome back to my channel. Dude, I got an art studio. You guys know I moved into this apartment very happily. I'm very happy in this location. I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted to stay. I'm still not sure if I want to renew the lease here, but I was going back and forth between the idea of getting an apartment with 2 bedrooms or getting an office. And I didn't just want any office. Like, I didn't want a plain boring office. You guys know I'm here. I'm all for character. I like old things. I like things that are a little run down, maybe with some mice. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I don't want mice. I don't want mice. Knock on wood. And I have all these little endeavors that I want to get into. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like to paint. I used to be an art major, and so art is like a huge part of me, and I feel like I haven't been able to fully dive into it because I'm busy and I have like a really nice balance of work and hobbies, and I've made it my goal during quarantine that I was gonna give it my all when it came to my hobbies and spending time just enjoying things without them being my income, you know? I love YouTube. Well, I used to love it more. We're fighting at the moment, but here I am. YouTube and Instagram, I absolutely love doing that. I love my job as an influencer, but again, it's still a job and it's still effort, a lot of pressure. So having a hobby is amazing. I feel like I can just let go, relax, do whatever I want. I decided to look for an art studio, and I live in an area where there are a lot of art students, and I know that they would be available. I just didn't know where, what area. I needed something that was either walking distance from me or at least that I can drive to and have, like, you know, a garage or something, but close enough, right? I looked for not even a week and I inquired about this one place that literally amazing, and I cannot wait to show you. I bought a desk, I bought a chair, I have little things I need to organize, so we're gonna have a cute little, you know, setting up, moving in vlog almost. It's not gonna be 100% done. I'm not sure when it will be because it is an art studio and it's ever changing, so I definitely want to set up my desk at least so I can work because I actually need to edit. So okay, let's get going. I'm so excited to show you. Okay, so I'm here. I don't know if anyone is in here. It sounds pretty quiet and the door was locked. Usually it's open. Well, like there's like an outside lock obviously, but this door has been open since I moved. But I'll give you a little rundown. You can already see the eclectic style this is. Whatever the entrance, and here's a little pan of everything. I assume someone's upstairs, but this is like one of the common areas. And I mean, come on, really? We got some nice photo op options obviously, but this is what it looks like. And then I'm all the way up the stairs. These are all studios, so I'm just gonna keep going up the stairs and showing you all the flights. This was an old mansion. Excuse me. We got this little area right here. You can see the outside obviously. Boom. That's where we just came from. I took a picture here the other day. Here is one of the floors, so the second floor. This was one of the studios that they showed me, but it was boring, you know? And, oh, there's a mirror. I wonder if I can take that. Anyways, this was one of the places, but I said no to. It was cheaper, but I wanted something different. So we came from here. There's more stairs. And another big window. Great lighting in here. And third floor, more studios. And this is, oh, look at that, more stairs. That is a task. So this is my floor. I share it with another lady. She might be in here, I'm not sure. The kitchen's over here, and Oh, there's someone upstairs. This is my door. Ooh la la. So here is my studio. Pow. So this is my studio, guys. It's probably gonna be really echoey, obviously. I shut the window so it wouldn't be too loud, but this is my studio. I'm not even sure like how many square feet it is, but I pay $4.75 for this. I have heat and I have AC and I have a nice little window. Yeah, I just really love the way that it shapes, like this cool thing. I'm like right in the, I'm like in the attic, and then there's this little stair thing that you go up it and you can see like all of the city, and I can see the city from here actually just from sitting. I brought that up myself because I am a strong and independent woman. I basically just wanted a place, just like a work office, and I can use this space for anything, to be honest. Like I can do pictures here, I can, you know, if I just want to get away from the house, because honestly COVID is probably not going away anytime soon and it's really scary, but I'm fortunate to be able to still work, and I know that if I have a space I can really give it my all in here. So yeah, I'm very excited. I don't have that many things really, it's just the desk I have to set up, and I got this chair from Facebook Marketplace. Let's set up my desk. Desk is up. It got pretty dark. I actually was able to build the whole desk without the screwdriver. I just used my scissors, but I'm gonna have my little corner there. And I know the chair doesn't match, but to be honest, I don't really care because I'm not really here for the aesthetics. I'm here to work. This desk has a charging port, so, and it works. Look, I'm charging my phone now. Amazing. And yes, I'm my background. I'm gonna keep organizing, put some stuff away. A lot has happened since I vlogged. That happened. Well, I would like to not be bullied for the splotchy mess that this is. But anyways, you're here for the studio. So it's pretty much all done. I brought everything that I need to bring in. I still have my box from the desk, but I will throw that away today. It's a hot mess, but that's what my studio will look like all the time. So I'm not going to tidy up. That's not gonna happen. I already got the chance to work here already. This is my second time coming because I was feeling mad lazy yesterday, so I didn't come in, but so as you walk in, this is my door. Of course, I have one of my tote bags that I painted. We have a mirror. We have a little perch right here. We have some lovely holes. I'm right here. I'm probably gonna have like either on this side or on this side. I will have like a more loungy area, probably for pictures. But this is a little overview. That's obviously the working station, so I will go over here. Okay, this desk is from Target. It was $120. I definitely wanted to get a used desk, but I wouldn't have had means to bring it up here when it was already built. So here we have a little, you know, some sketchy sketches, tools and nails and screws I didn't use for the desk. Little tools. We have a disc pen drive. What are these called? Flash drives. Pencils. And then on this side, the bigger sketchbook and some notebooks. They're from Chile. Look. This is how we use our, oh, okay. This is what our notebooks look like. It's like graphic paper, and I think it's much cooler than lined paper. Then I have a little Bluetooth speaker that I have to charge. I have my palette. I want to get an actual palette, but this is all I had for now. Palette paper. I don't love it. Not my favorite. It tends to be a little bit messy, and it's also, I feel like it's not big enough. Well, that's a makeup palette. I'm taking pictures today. Oops. Okay. 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 All right. Blue light glasses from iBuyDirect, because I edited here the other day. All my tools, you know, pencils, just the dry stuff is here. We have Turpenoid. We have a shot glass that I use sometimes for Turpenoid. I have this, and this is the most amazing thing because I found it. I found this at Goodwill. I'm aware that this is for sugar packets, like you put them in there, and then this like little gap right here, this little half circle hole is, I guess, for your thumb. I don't know, but when I saw it, I was like, this would be perfect for my medium and to lay my brush like that. I mean, that's not the most genius thing I've ever thought of, because I don't like to use like napkins or like towels too much, so I just lay it on top, you know? More glassware for all my brushes. I wish it wasn't as tall, but it works for now. I may get another one for my smaller brushes. Then, okay, first of all, I have been playing this man for like all this week. I just found him. He's amazing. Then my mask. This has a charging port. Look how amazing. Then I have, this looks like a bomb, but I also put Turpenoid in here. I just need to clean it, it's a little messy. Some coffee, and I have this thermos. I love this thing, it's so cute. I got it from Home Goods. All my paints are in here. That's trash. I didn't want to get an actual storage bin. I feel like I don't need it. I don't have that much stuff. I'm sure eventually I will, but for now, this is all I have. And I have I have new acrylics, and then I have my oil paints. And that's pretty much it. And then these are all extra things. So I have hot glue. I have a stapler gun. And then I have my canvas bags just there because I don't, you know, there's no storage for them right now. And here, I'm gonna open this. I am so excited for this. So I found this amazing artist on TikTok. I am now very proud to say that he's an artist friend of mine now. When I saw his work, I felt so inspired. And when I tell you that doesn't happen to me very often, it does not happen to me very often. I'm gonna put all his handles on my description so you guys can check him out, because he's so funny. Like, he's so funny and endearing, charismatic. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. He wrote something. Oh, stop it. I am actually tearing up. Stop it. Christian. He told me he was excited for this art studio vlog, so here we are, crying. Mr. Black Bean, you beautiful man, you. Oh, I love him so much. Look, I'm dying. Stickers? Are these stickers? Because I'm gonna, they're stickers! Wow. On my laptop they go. Hey, look, just getting a little sneak peek of what I have inside. I don't want to wreck the paper too much because I want to keep the notes. No, he didn't. He sent me two. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Oh, shut the front door. I might throw up. I might. Wait, is there more in here? Why do I see two papers? What is happening? Oh my God, I cannot. There's another one. I'm sick. This is the one that I paid for. And this man really said, I'm gonna sprinkle some magic in you. Oh my God, I am in awe. I am shook. I am shook to the core. Anyway, so that is it for my vlog. Did I even show all of these? I want to make sure I show all of them in detail. So this is Ow, I just hit myself. This is the print that I bought. Look at these. Ooh. He makes these with oil pastels, and you see the process. So like, make sure you follow him on Instagram because he pops out hella videos, and just so you can see the process of everything. Here's another one. She's beautiful. Wow. Little sunflowers. Oh, I'm obsessed. They're signed. Oh my fucking god, they're signed. Oh my god, I didn't even look at the back. Stop it. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here because that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you, okay? A lot of nice artistic things are coming in the next year, so I'm very excited for that. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or a wonderful night, or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.